Speaking of my expectation, I would say number one is to learn the new technology.
At this year's hackathon, I was excited to participate in our team's discovery of different AI use cases across our
I was
products.
just personally excited to be able to use these technologies, these concepts, and things I've learned about for a while and that I've really been interested in for the last few years, and just apply them to some very real world applications that our customers and our company can use. It was a great experience. For my team's project, we took the fine tuning approach, and it was just so interesting just to see the effect and that the quality and quantity of data as we added more and better data to it, just building the model, seeing how good the results came after we kept building and building and building.
I had a really great time working alongside engineers and other product leaders on our team to see what an AI use case looks like within our existing Nexis solutions and how we can see AI incorporating into our product line in the future.
We had only a week, and we had to come up with ideas and see how we can actually materialize them and put those ideas on our products. So overall, I would say it was intense but enjoyable. So throughout the week, I would say it's us believing in our own solution, especially after checking the research and survey that we've done before. So we do have the evidence supporting our decisions.
It was incredible seeing how quickly our ideas could come to life, and it just goes to show how talented this team is and the opportunity that lies ahead of us in the AI space.
I really want to keep working with this technology and see what it can do for all of us.